Welcome to our Auto Reviews channel, your go-to destination for the latest and most detailed reviews on the newest cars, performance vehicles, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, a car that continues to push the boundaries of luxury, performance, and design. This review will cover the car's specs, features, and performance to give you a complete overview of what makes the 2025 Vantage such an extraordinary machine. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage features a refined, aggressive design that exudes both elegance and athleticism. Its exterior is characterized by sharp lines, an iconic front grille, and sleek aerodynamic elements that enhance its performance capabilities. The new Vantage has been updated with even more precision, giving it an athletic stance that catches attention from every angle. It maintains the distinctive Aston Martin style, while incorporating modern touches that bring it into the 2025 era. Under the hood, the Vantage is powered by a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing up to 500 horsepower and 505 lb-ft of torque. This engine allows the Vantage to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, providing an exhilarating driving experience. The power is delivered through a smooth and responsive 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that every gear shift feels seamless and precise. The Vantage's handling is exceptional thanks to its adaptive suspension system, which offers both comfort and cornering precision. The interior of the 2025 Vantage reflects the high standards of Aston Martin with luxurious materials and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is outfitted with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and beautifully designed controls, creating a refined atmosphere. The center console features a high-resolution infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system, ensuring both convenience and top-notch entertainment while driving. The seating is designed for both comfort and support, making long drives as enjoyable as a quick spin on a winding road. Safety features in the 2025 Vantage are top-notch with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work seamlessly to enhance the driving experience while providing peace of mind on the road. When it comes to customization, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage offers a range of options, allowing buyers to tailor the car to their personal preferences. From exterior colors and interior materials to performance upgrades and bespoke options, the Vantage can be uniquely yours, making it even more exclusive. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Vantage starts at around $140,000, which positions it as a high-performance sports car that competes with some of the finest in the segment. While it's undoubtedly a premium option, the blend of luxury, performance, and exclusivity justifies the investment for those looking to own a piece of automotive excellence. Overall, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is an extraordinary vehicle that perfectly blends performance, luxury, and design. It continues to uphold the Aston Martin legacy while embracing the future with modern technologies and enhancements. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car review specifications and the latest updates on all things automotive. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.